What is up, YouTube? In this video we're going to do an unboxing of the Mac Mini. This is the latest version that Apple released late last year, and this is arguably one of the best products they did release last year. So this is the brand new Mac Mini, the full redesign. So we're just going to do an unboxing of it by taking off the plastic tabs on the bottom here, like with any other Apple packaging, and we're going to remove the lid. So this is the base version, because the appeal is the base version Mac is the most affordable. So as you see, this new redesign, it's a whole lot smaller and a little bit taller compared to the outgoing model. This is more akin to an Apple TV than the previous Mac. So it's a lot more compact and it has a lot of power in this compact design. So here's the only other accessory in the box, which is the power cable. This cable is braided, as you see here. And you get some warranty information and a quick how-to guide. And that is basically everything that comes in the box. You don't get a keyboard or mouse, so just keep that in mind. You got to buy that separate. And of course, a monitor. So that's the unboxing of the Mac Mini. So now we're just going to show you the Mac Mini design itself. So this is an incredibly compact design, and the power that's in this thing is what makes it so appealing. So this has the latest M4 chip from Apple with 16 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. So this is the base version. They do have other SKUs, but it does get significantly more expensive as you start to add memory and more RAM. So the appeal is, of course, this version. You get 2 ports on the back. Those are Thunderbolt, and then you get a gigabit Ethernet and an HDMI 2.1. You get a headphone jack on the front and 2 more ports on the front as well. Those are, I believe, USB-C, so they're not Thunderbolt capable. So as I showed you the power button on the bottom, that was something that people were harping on when this first came out. It's not too big of a deal, but it is rather interesting that it is on the bottom. So that is the unboxing of the Mac Mini. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like set up. So here it is on a desk, and I was going to show you how to turn it on. Of course, the power button's on the bottom left. So we're going to turn it on, and I do turn this on without a keyboard and mouse just to show you. And we're going to connect the keyboard and mouse to it to begin the setup process. So as I mentioned earlier, this is an incredible deal for anyone that just wants a Mac for browsing or emails or basic setups. You don't want to do too much crazy workload on here because of the memory limitations. 256 is not much, but it is an incredible deal for getting into the Mac ecosystem and enjoying the benefits of a Mac with the, let's say, an iPhone or any other Apple product. So I'm just connecting a keyboard and mouse here. These are on my channel if you want to check them out. A third-party keyboard and a mouse. This keyboard's a mechanical, nice RGB. It looks really nice. So this is what it looks like on a desk, fully set up. And as you see, it's a really, really nice design. It's compact. It doesn't take up much space, and that's what people really like, is that incredible compact design, but it's still really, really powerful. So as you see, we completed setup. I'm just showing you the About Mac screen, and that's basically everything that's with the unboxing of the Mac Mini. So I hope this helped you out. If it did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll try to do more videos on this computer, but it's an incredible deal if you're interested in the Mac. It's plenty of power for what you'll probably do with it for such an affordable price. So definitely a must buy for sure. So I hope this helped you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.